Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, ERW pipe plant of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant excels in various endeavors. And SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant continues to supply of liquid medical oxygen to different parts of the country. Now the news in detail. The ERW Pipeline Collective of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has created a niche for itself by manufacturing for the first time pipes of varied thickness range to cater to the demand across the country. For the first time since inception, it manufactured ERW pipes of thickness 5.0, 6.0 and 6.9 mm into 457.2 mm, 18-inch outer diameter and 6.3, 7.9 into 355.6 mm, 14-inch outer diameter, API grade B PSL 0.1 of high DT and stringent length, restriction and supply 25 kilometers and 18 kilometers of the two different specifications respectively to the government of Mizoram. Similarly, it supplied 54 kilometers of high diameter thickness pipes to government of Karnataka, West Bengal and Mizoram. Besides, it also supplied 86 kilometers long high DT pipes to government of Karnataka and Mizoram. The total dispatch comprised 49,278 tons of pipes. Several initiatives were taken within the department to improve the production and performance. This included successful completion of project for compressed air pipeline connection from the central grid for both pipe plants, replacement of all the high wattage SV lamps of PPERW mill bay with low wattage LED lamps. Performance of flux system was enhanced at main pipe performing and welding machines with in-house modifications. On the environment front, the department had to its credit a major accomplishment of zero liquid discharge in ERW pipe plant. All these helped creating better and safe working ambience for the employees while adding to the revenue of the company. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been continuing to supply medical-grade liquid oxygen to different locations in Orissa and other states, keeping in view the large requirement of oxygen in the treatment of COVID patients and patients with other respiratory problems in hospitals across the country. The steel plant, under the guidance of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, has been continuing to support the cause. The plant has put in place a mechanism for the safe, efficient loading and dispatch of the tankers carrying the life-saving gas. In the second week of June, RSP has dispatched total 1471 tons of LMO to different states and different locations of Orissa. It was furnished by both rail and road transport. The cumulative dispatch figure of LMO for June stands at 2,688 tons. Notably, in the current financial year, the steel plant has so far dispatched 19,087 tons of LMO till date. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.